This is what we want. Essentially, this is what we want. We want to multiply these two out, and of course, we can make it more complicated by adding a third bracket. So I could tell you like x minus 8. So you could try it with x minus 8 as the third bracket. But now let's solve x minus 4 and x plus 7. When you see such a problem, do the first, let it be a multiplication of the first terms in the expressions. So x will multiply x to give you x squared. And then this same x will multiply plus 7 to give you plus 7x. And then minus 4, now move on to the next term. Minus 4 times x will give you minus 4x. And minus 4 times plus 7 will give you minus 28. X squared now remains. We're going to add like terms. So it's x squared, and then 7x minus 4x will give you plus 3x. 7 minus 4 is a positive answer. And then the minus 28 comes down. That's all that is required of you. You need to be able to know and account for every number and expression. Now let's do number 6 quickly. 2x squared minus 16x minus 66. There's two ways of solving this. I'm just going to show you one method. You can take out the 2 and rewrite it as x squared minus 8x minus 33. Now your a is 1. Your a was 2, but now it's 1. Your b was negative 16, but now your b is negative 8. Your c was negative 66, now it's negative 33. We label such expressions a, b, c. We need to find two numbers that when we multiply them together will give us our AC. And our AC is negative 33 times 1, which is negative 33. Again, our A is 1 and our C is negative 33. Then we need to make sure that those two numbers we find will add up to our B, which is minus 8. So now we go ahead and draw a chart to see what the two numbers could be.
11 and negative 3.
So 11 and negative 3 would give us negative 33 if we multiply them together. However, they will not give us negative 8 if we bring them together. So this will give us negative 33, but it will not give us minus 8. It will give us a positive 8. So we try negative 11 and plus 3. Negative 11 times plus 3 will give you a negative 33, and negative 11 plus 3 would give you negative 8. That's what we're looking for. So now we can take these two numbers and rewrite our bracket. So now our bracket will become 2, and then into x minus 11, and then x plus 3. Now that's what you would get. But let me show you variations of the answer on the board now. Let's look at all the variations. So 2x squared minus 16x minus 66. When we simplify it or factorize, we can get 2x plus 6, x minus 11. That's one answer you could get. The other answer you can get is this. It's the same thing. Or this. I just move this around. Whenever something like A multiplies B, it's the same thing as B multiplying A. We talked about properties of real numbers, commutative properties of multiplication, associative properties of multiplication, and so on and so forth. I hope that you can see why all these are the same. And ultimately, when you multiply it all out, you should get it back to 2x squared minus 16x minus 66. That's how you factorize number 6. The answers could be in different formats, but it's pretty basic how you get to it. So we'll stop there for now, and we'll take questions. Any questions?